Hello and welcome to another La Maison du Macramé tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be making this gorgeous sapphire wall hanging, and I'm so excited to show you how. You will need 60 feet or 18 meters in cord. And this chart explains to you basically the placement as well as the lengths of the cords you need to be cutting. So follow the order of the lengths when placing the cords on the dowel. As requested by a lot of you, I have the measurements in both inches and centimeters. To start, for this tutorial, I'm using 12 inches dowel. I'm using this gorgeous sapphire 4mm 100% recycled cotton cord from my shop. I'm using the Larks Head Knot to attach the cords to my dowel. So I started by the 58 inches cords. I'm gonna attach the 6 of them. And these ones will be in the center of my dowel. And then I'm gonna attach one cord on each side. So this one is a 48 inches, then 46 inches, then 44 inches, then 40 inches, then 38, then 36. When that's done, I'm using 4 cords to create square knot. Then we're going to create 8 more square knots, and in total we're going to have, by the end of this row, 9 square knots. Now we're going to skip 2 cords from each side. Then again, we're going to create a row of square knots. This time, we should have in total 8 square knots. Now we're going to skip 2 more cords. And create a square knot. Skip 4 cords. And then create another square knot. The pattern in the third row would be square knot, skip 4 cords, then square knot, then skip 4 cords. At the end of row 3, we're going to have 4 triangular shapes like shown. Now, from each side, we're going to skip 6 cords, create a square knot, and then we're going to create 5 more square knots, and in total for row 4, we're going to have 6 square knots. For row 5, we're going to skip 2 cords and create square knot. Then skip 4 cords, create another square knot, skip 4 more cords, and then create square knot. For row 5, we should have 3 square knots. After finishing row 5, we're going to notice that now we have 3 squares. For row 6, we're going to skip 10 cords from each side. And then we're going to create 4 square knots. We're going to skip 2 cords from each side, create the first square knot, skip 4 cords, and then create the second square knot. So for row 8, we should have 2 square knots. Skip 14 cords from each side. And now we're going to create 2 square knots. Now we will take the cords in the center and create the last square knot. And voila! So this marks the end of part 1 of this piece, and I'm gonna do another part to show you guys how to add the fringe to this piece. If you try it out, let me know what you think, and see you in the next video.